Holy crap, we needed the rain, and it's doing it. Can't tell, but those are huge puddles. Oh, we got stuck in here. Look at the rain coming off. Came out to water these guys. Just gave them some watermelon and Dixie tore it up. Jared said don't get him in, but don't have a choice. That's the field. Ooh. Got some hail too. We're a little bit. Woo!
That was close.
Holy shit!
That was close.
Oh!
Yeah, we need to back up. We're not getting the barn mark.
That is
Yeah.
crazy. We came to pull the fence down and water horses and got stuck out here. Oh, there's another one. These guys aren't liking it. You guys all right? Hey, pretty girls. You're so funny. You're so funny. Look at you. You all right, little butt? Hi, pretty. Wowzer. Ah, that puddle already 3 times the size it was just a few minutes ago. Holy shit. I'm gonna get out of the doorway. All right, ciao.